What's up, everybody? Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and we have some new information for you. Disney World has confirmed that it will keep its park reservation system into 2023. Now, what does that mean for you? We're going to answer that right after you go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right, that's out of the way. Time to answer that question. The reservation system began as a reaction to social distancing. In order to keep the crowd levels low, they invented this new system. Now, Disney World requires its guests to make reservations in advance. Dates around summer, spring break, and the holiday season are booked quite early. This has been a bit of a frustration to newcomers who may not know that they need a reservation and they just show up to a park and they can't get in. The question is, how does that affect your Disney World vacation plans? Now, to understand the importance of booking early in advance, let us first shed light on the Disney Park Pass system. Disney Park Pass system is a reservation system that requires all the visitors with an annual pass or a ticket to make a reservation in advance for each park entry. Regardless of the theme park you're interested in, its reservation will be limited and subject to availability. Using your My Disney Experience account, which is a prerequisite for using the Disney Park Pass system, you will get access to a calendar that will show you the availability of parks on the dates of your interest. If you are someone with a multi-day ticket, you will have to make reservations for parks on each day of your visit. If you have purchased the Park Hopper option, you will still have to make a theme park reservation. The only way to not miss out on all the fun Disney World has to offer is to book Disney World tickets in advance, as much as possible. With OrlandoVacation.com, you can do that without a hassle with fully customized payment plans and comprehensive Disney vacation packages that take care of everything from lodging to visiting Disney World. What's more is that with us, you always have access to great discounts on Walt Disney World theme park tickets, packages, attractions, and rentals all year round. But the key to taking full advantage is to book ASAP, especially around the holidays. All right, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com so we can help you make the most out of your next Orlando vacation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.